Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of 15-16 contenders for Lisu. Sealed case. The Gerson. These do not want to come out. Hey, that works. Alright, so I'm going to slide the front ones to the left. And these go to the right. Alright, so 1 through 12.
There's no debate. Get 10 golden nuggets for just $1.49. Only at Burger King.
11 and 12. 7. 7's right there. Alright, good luck. Oh, these packs do not like me right now. Good luck, Lisa. Just inserts again, right? Rookie of the Year contenders, Jameis. Round numbers, Gurley and Gordon die cut. And Quandre Diggs. First time we've seen Quandre. Come on. Quandre. Oh, come on. There we go. Quandre Diggs. Base autograph. Jameis Winston. Cam Newton, playoff ticket, is 79 of 199. Cameron Newton, playoff ticket. Dez and Romo, not numbered. And Tyler Murphy. This is the first time we've seen Tyler Murphy as well. Stafford, pennant. And Darren Waller. I think he's following you. Darren Waller. Sorry, Demaryius Thomas pennant. 3 autos, at least 2 to go. Tevin Coleman, non-numbered. And at a 199 playoff ticket, Carlos Williams. 195 of 199. It's a nice auto for Carlos. His stuff has been real streaky as of late. Everything I've pulled of him as of late has been real streaky. There's Carlos Williams at a 199. On-card autograph. Peterson, MVP Contenders. Ronell Hall, base autograph. So that's 5. We've been getting 6 a box. Brandon Marshall, pennant. Do we have a redemption? Did I see a redemption? I don't know what I saw. Kevin White for the Falcons. Kevin White for the Falcons is your 6th autograph. Base auto, no variations in this. I think I saw the back, yeah. Dan Marino, Legendary Contenders, and that, yeah, I saw the back of that. Alright, and that is how we end that box, Lisa. Nice hit on the Williams. Let me know if you want to do any more.